Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to organize your TikTok profile by deleting the playlist that you have been created. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your TikTok application, and after that make sure that you are signed in and log in with your account. So to visit the playlist that you have been created, you just need to visit the profile sections on the right corner here, and after that the playlist will be stay in this line. So you just need to slide into the left side and find out the playlist that you want to delete. So let's say here I would like to delete this playlist on my profile. So you just need to go click it to access the playlist. And whenever you click it, so you will be bring into this type of appearance. So you just need to go click these three small dots, and after that there will be pop up several options that you can choose, and you just need to go click delete playlist. And the last or final step, you just need to confirm that you want to delete the playlist. So then now the playlist will be disappear from the playlist line on your profile. So that's the way how to delete the playlist on TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys. And I really hope to see you for the next tutorial.